Okay, we've had this SMEG pot for about a year. As you can see, it's warming up right now. It'll tell you the temperature in degrees that it is, and then it gives you a little chime when it's ready. Here's all the control settings, and I'll pause it and I'll show you. Well, actually, I'll just hold it on here. I'll show you the little chime that it gets as it's warmed up and ready to go. But we have a few of these appliances. We love them. I think it's just cute on the countertop. So if you're making teas, whatnot, it's here. Okay, we're about to go off. And as you can see, we're only at 43 seconds and it's under a minute to warm up your water. Okay. Okay, there's the little chime that it is ready to go right at a minute.